We're going to the farm. Gonna pick out some little thingies for my mom to taste. Because she wants to taste. She's eating it already. I don't know what these are. They just taste a little bit good, a little bit nasty. Tell smell good too. Get it. No one's here. What the?
Hi, Taylor. How are you?
Good. That's your real hair.
This is my real hair.
Real?
Hi, Kayon. How are you?
Good.
Are you guys clearing out that hole?
No.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Did you guys talk to anybody yet?
No.
Oh, you guys are not here.
Yeah.
Is anybody even here?
I don't know. I also just got here. I bought this coffee just so I could use the restroom. Because I didn't want to be someone who just used the restroom. And I didn't even want coffee. It wasn't good. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys already cleared it out?
Yeah.
Whoa! And you guys put the holes up too?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Did you guys plant the beans?
No, not yet.
We gotta wait for AJ.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Have you ever been to Washington, D.C.?
Me? No, why?
I go to Friday.
For what?
Go for it.
That sounds really fun.
I'm hungry.
Yeah?
5:30 in the morning.
Okay, why are you going to Washington, D.C.?
It's still a field trip at school.
Really? That's really fun. Oh, this is awesome. The only place I ever been for a field trip was, I was in marching band. We went to Disney World in Florida. And guys, Disney World is so much fun.
Huh?
Disney World is so much fun.
What?
Condos?
Oh,
And all food.
yeah, we have this.
I don't even know what I'm going to do today. Oh, the children have come.
This came to see if someone was in here.
Is someone in here? It's sucking my blood.
Well, this is Dylan. His name is Hezekiah.
My name's Josiah.
Oh,
Sounds
okay.
like her.
I'm Bill.
Get off of my stuff.
Nice to meet you.
Are one of these your? Which one's yours here?
This one,
This one.
Hezekiah.
Ah, hi Hezekiah.
Just came to see if anyone was here.
We're here.
We missed the cookout last.
A couple of weekends ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we have another one in June, on June 4th. Free cookout.
Okay. His birthday is the 29th. My son Dylan's birthday is the 5th.
Okay.
But he's 25.
Okay.
And yeah, hey, that one we were just walking up the hill, and I noticed the wheelbarrows,
Yeah.
and I decided to see if anyone was around.
Well, we're around, yep.
That's about it.
Good. Well, feel free to walk around. You want to see the rabbits? You see the bunnies?
Say yes.
You can go inside. Take your granddad in there.
There are rabbits in there?
Yeah, we got our bunnies
Yeah,
in there.
it's really nice in there.
And
It's
they're-
like another
Oh.
continent.
Oh, well, thank you so much.
Sure.
There's
Is that what you're doing? Okay. How was your day? Good? Good? Great? Scale of 1 out of 10. How was your day?
8.
That's a really great day. Okay. How was your day? Why? Why?
Wait, that's the one.
Why was your day
That is boring.
boring? Well, you don't have to be in high spirits every day. Today I'm in a good mood. Why? Why am I in a good mood?
You always do.
No, you've only met me twice. You can't know that. Why am I in a good mood? I don't know. Yeah. You're right. Why are you... Wait, what happened today? What, seriously? Just not a good... Just not the best. Okay. Mine?
You let it jump.
No. My mom, she smoked, but she didn't know she was pregnant, so she was smoking. And then, like, I guess a few weeks, she was like, oh God, I'm pregnant, I have to stop. And that's what the doctor told me. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you see, it's amazing in there. It's crazy.
Yeah. You know, I saw them build this building,
You did.
but oh yeah, because they just live right down Columbus Street.